Everyone knows Point Lobos for its stunning views, right? But did you know that beneath the waves lies one of the world's oldest kelp forests, filled with marine life and ancient secrets just waiting to be uncovered? Right here, beneath your feet, there's this whole world where incredibly diverse marine life has been thriving for centuries. And honestly, most visitors have no idea it's even there. This seemingly serene coast hides relics from another era, and there's so much more happening beneath the surface, a hidden world that few have ever seen. Not far from here lies one of the oldest kelp forests on the planet, an incredible underwater jungle. Hidden within those depths, there are ancient stone tools or ceremonial artifacts, possibly linked to early Native American civilizations. These artifacts hold a tangible link to our past, connecting us directly to those who shaped this land. Imagine, stumbling upon something like that while exploring. Underneath the waves, divers have found fossilized bones of Ice Age creatures, and even stone tools. It's astonishing to imagine these ancient times. Imagine the stories these bones could tell about the ancient world and the people who once thrived here. These discoveries tell us that human life was thriving here more than 10,000 years ago. It suggests that Point Lobos was once a key spot for early human survival, a bustling hub for those who came before us. And it's not just about human history. These kelp forests are some of the oldest on Earth, dating back over 32 million years. They supported creatures like desmostilians, herbivorous marine mammals, similar to modern-day manatees that once thrived in these rich waters. Even millions of years ago, Point Lobos was full of life. Did you know that Point Lobos is also home to an incredible variety of seabirds? Birds like the cormorant and black oystercatcher nest along these rugged cliffs, adapting to harsh winds and waves. Cormorants spread their wings to dry after diving, a unique behavior for survival. And then there are these mysterious rock formations under the water. Circular, moss-covered shapes lie in the deep, evoking thoughts of ancient monuments and hinting at mysteries waiting to be uncovered, like the oddly circular formations that have puzzled divers for years. Are these formations the work of nature, or could they be the remains of an ancient civilization lost to time? Share your thoughts in the comments. These formations could be shaped by tectonic activity millions of years ago, or maybe there's something shaped by early human hands. The local crystalline rock, aged between 50 to 60 million years, tells a fascinating story of deep ocean formation and geological shifts. Let's not forget about the incredible marine life that calls this place home today. Sea otters play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the kelp forests by keeping sea urchin populations in check. Harbor seals can often be seen lounging on the rocks, and schools of vibrant fish dart through the underwater jungle. Every species here, from the playful sea otters to the smallest fish, contributes to a delicate web of life that keeps the ecosystem thriving. During low tide, tide pools become lively miniature worlds. Starfish cling to rocks, anemones sway in the water, and hermit crabs scavenge for food. Each creature is adapted to the changing tides, creating a vibrant ecosystem. These tide pools show us how every small creature has a role in the bigger picture. Marine biologists studying Point Lobos have uncovered insights into how this delicate balance has been maintained for millions of years, such as how kelp resilience plays a role in sustaining the entire ecosystem. By studying these ecosystems, scientists learn more about how climate change is impacting marine environments, and how places like Point Lobos can serve as crucial refuges for vulnerable species. Artifacts found here tell the story of the early Native American peoples who relied on these rich resources. Shell middens, which are piles of discarded shells, give us clues about how these early inhabitants lived, harvesting food from the ocean and adapting to their changing environment. Point Lobos is also famous for its eerie coastal fog. This fog plays an important role in keeping the ecosystem thriving, providing moisture for the unique Monterey cypress trees. These trees are so rare that they only grow naturally in 2 locations worldwide. The fog rolls in silently, enveloping the landscape in a soft, ghostly white. It adds a mystical feel to the landscape, but it's also vital to the health of the forest. The moisture from the fog supports not only the trees, but also provides a humid environment that is essential for many of the local animal species, from small insects to birds. And if you're lucky, you might even spot dolphins playing just offshore. These highly intelligent animals often swim alongside boats, leaping out of the water as if they're inviting us to join in the fun. You can hear their playful splashes and see their sleek bodies gliding through the water. It's just another reminder of how vibrant and alive this place truly is. And it's not just history and geology. Today, Point Lobos is part of the migration path for gray whales. These whales have journeyed thousands of miles, a migration that has been repeated for countless generations. From December to April, these majestic creatures pass by, giving visitors a glimpse of one of nature's most awe-inspiring journeys. Imagine standing on the coast and seeing a whale breach the water. It's an experience you'll never forget. As the sun sets over Point Lobos, it's easy to see why people call it the crown jewel of California's state parks. The beauty, the history, and the life here are unmatched. Every rock, every wave, and every creature has a story waiting to be discovered. Picture yourself standing here, watching the sun dip below the horizon. It's a moment you won't soon forget. If you ever get the chance, make sure to experience Point Lobos in person. You won't be disappointed. We're just scratching the surface of all there is to uncover. So, next time you're at Point Lobos, take a closer look. It's more than just a beautiful spot. You're standing at the edge of history. Who knows what other secrets are waiting just beneath the surface? Maybe one day, you'll be the one to uncover them. If you love uncovering hidden wonders, be sure to subscribe and join us. We have so many fascinating stories yet to be revealed.